All right. It's been a while since I've been on here. I'm pretty sure a lot of people haven't seen me in a while. If you're following my other channel, then you probably just seen me this morning because I always try to post daily on there. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I post a regular video, and every other day I post a short outside of those days. But I want to talk about silver, gold, precious metals because that's what I build my whole brand on. Precious metals, right? So I'm going to try to go through this, no edits, no nothing. Just want to talk. I do believe that precious metals should be way further along where they are right now. Correct? I'm not personally buying any precious metals right now no more. I'm just holding on to what I do have. I'm not going out buying, looking for deals. If it goes back down, which some people say is not, hey, I'm not putting it past anything. You know, I can't tell the future. Other people can't tell the future. You never know. So, in this sense, why is it that I believe that gold and silver should be further along, and why is it not? I just believe there's a lot of competition. Let's really think about it. If somebody wants to start investing in to gold and silver, matter of fact, let's understand the mind frame of somebody trying to buy gold and silver, and we all understand that the reason that the price move is because of the demand, right? People buying it, people wanting it, people hoarding it, whatever it is, people making jewelry from it, whatever it may be. We have to understand if people's not interested in the stuff, the price is not moving. Matter of fact, the price is going to decline. If people's not interested, if he was like, hey, you know what? We really don't care about it. We don't care about jewelry no more. We found some other item that can conduct electricity better than gold and silver. Whatever it may be, understand that the price is pretty much dead. So, but if we're looking at it as far as the investor standpoint, because understand that's the market that's really, I believe, that's really gonna move it. People believing that they can make money from it. Yeah, we can. There's gonna be that core group of people, that core group of following that's gonna say, hey, I wanted to invest. I want not invest. I'm sorry. I wanted to preserve my wealth. Yeah, there's gonna be that core of people, but I believe, my opinion, you guys can comment down below your opinion. I believe the movers is when the mass investors like start flooding into the markets, or in this case the gold and silver markets, and that's gonna really truly raise the price up. But within the past 2 years, we seen the pandemic, we seen shutdown, we seen the production of gold and silver slow down, we seen all that, we seen the spot price go up, being that, you know, around the time when silver was at $13 an ounce, we seen the price of the premium causing it to go up to $23 an ounce, right? Just with the premiums itself. The spot price was still 13, but for you to buy it, you'd have to spend more than 20 bucks. And I feel like that left a negative taste on a lot of people's mouth. Especially if they're like, hey, you know what? Let me try again into gold. What the fuck? How much it costs for this? I gotta pay what? For what? Oh, hell no. Especially when you look at within the past year, we've seen people just dump money into crypto. And a year later, and not even a year, less than a year later, they're rolling in the dough. You know, I bought, what you call it? What was that coin? I bought Ethereum at 500 bucks. I had like 2 Ethereums. That 500 bucks in less than 3 months became $4,000. Not even $4,000. I'm talking about $4,000 each on both Ethereums. 500. That's more than 4 times the amount of returns. 4 times return. I put $1,000 and it became 8,000. I bought Shiba Inu. I had 800. I showed you. I had the video on there. Like, if you guys want to, I'm lean everything on this channel. But I have the video on there where I did my review on Voyager, where I had $800 of Shiba Inu. And that $800 became $4,000, $5,000. And within the span of 6 months? I've been buying gold and silver for 4 years. And just last year, I practically doubled my money. And that's not even the case. Let's say I started buying silver in 2012. It would have took like practically almost maybe 10 years for me to actually double my money. So I'm not saying that as in, hey, it's a bad thing. is the safest. I believe it was one of the, safest play there was, and I'm happy I did it. But the way you have to look at it is, it's so much competition. Within just 2020, this is the mind frame we're in right now. People who bought Tesla at $300 before the split, and right now, practically 100x their money, right? People who bought stocks within the last year, practically more than double their money. People who's buying crypto is probably 10x their money as well. There's so much competition as far as going against precious metals. Too much competition going against precious metals. And that's causing the investors to be like, hey, look, I can buy some precious metals, I can buy some gold, I can buy some silver, and just wait it out for the long term. Or hey, I can just gamble it and put it all in here. Now, I'm not saying that you should gamble into precious. I'm trying for you guys to understand the mindset behind the decisions. All right, we have to look at whatever we're looking at. Like if you're buying, let's say, Tesla stock, you can't say, hey, yeah, I like this car, I want to buy this stock. You can't just say that. You have to say, hey, all right, I like this car, but is this car what the masses are gonna think about this car? How is people gonna adjust to electric cars? Do I believe that like a group of people or a nation, the whole United States, will love electric cars, electric vehicles, right? You have to look at it, and that's one thing I'm really good at. I'm real good at observing like the way other people look at things, right? The way other people look at things, and from the trends I'm looking at, I'm seeing that not that much people right now, as we're speaking now. Of course, if something big happens, like the economy shut down and all that extra stuff happens, if something big happens, then yeah, maybe that can cause the price of gold and silver to go up. But as far as right now, I just feel like they believe that I believe a lot of people is like seeing it and they're like, hey, you know what? Hey, I'd rather just take my chance with crypto. And that's just my 2 cents. I want to know what you guys think. Comment down below. Let me know. Have a good one.